Because the car is swollen.
Tells us she was just trying to get to a Detroit Lions watch party.
Dank Demoss, Miss Deja. 10 years ago when I was 400 pounds, I did not see myself as I was. I didn't see my body affecting anybody, their vehicles, their property or stuff. But I avoided that. I did ride in other people's cars. But I do have a memory of breaking my own car seat. In a little Corsica I drove around in with my kids, and they were always it was a bucket seat. They were always jerking on it and stuff. My husband was always jerking that seat back and forth because my legs were so short, his were long. Anyway, I got in it one day and went to do something and flopped right back, and I broke the car seat. Yeah, it was so embarrassing. And I was mad. I was mad at myself, though. Yeah, we get treated like crap. We get treated like crap, and for years, and then that weight builds up, and we just keep putting that weight on. It's like a armor that we build around us. It's our wall of protection. Dank, you know what? You're a beautiful girl. You really are. And I listened to a little bit of your rap, what I could hear. But and it seemed like you're pretty good, too, at that. I mean, you're gorgeous, beautiful, and you have really good style. And I think what you could really do is have a weight loss channel and blow up huge. Oh, no pun intended, sweetie. But I think you could really have a huge channel, and people would follow you in a positive manner. There's so many ways to lose weight. If you need help, honey, talk to me anytime. Reach out. I would love to work with you and help you get that weight off. I mean, I'm Debbie Garcia, the badass baby boomer. I know you could care less about me, but I have lost 205 pounds, and I got 2 new knees. I did a year of physical therapy, got myself out of the wheelchair and stuff. My life has been quite an adventure. And things are just getting better every day. And life is worth living. At 64 years old, I have been given a second chance, and you can too. You're only 34. You're my daughter's age. So I could be your mother if you'd let me. I mean, I'm sure you have a wonderful mother. I never should have said that. But sweetie, you've been hurt. You've been traumatized. And you're filling that hole with food. I did it for years. I still do it. When we're emotional compulsive eaters, we still do it. But now there's a lot of tools, and there's a lot of help out there, and there's a lot of ways to deal with this that we didn't have for years. But now they're here. And of course, there's weight loss surgeries and stuff like that. But, now they have medicines that really help, and you don't even have to have a weight loss surgery unless you want to, because it's quite helpful too. All those things are helpful. But healthy eating and exercise, no matter what people say, it really is necessary to include those things. You got to eat healthy, and we all have bad days, but you have a lot more good days. You can get that weight off, and you can get healthy, and life is worth living. And I know a lot of people love you. You are supported by a lot of people. I can tell by your videos. People love you. And you're so cute. I have watched so many news reports, and you are just the most beautiful face. And, but that weight you're carrying, honey, it's going to kill you, and it's going to kill you soon. I mean, you don't want to admit it? I never admitted it to myself. And you know what it did? It destroyed my skeletal system. I mean, I have to have new hips. I had new knees, and I have to have a few other surgeries. But sweetie, you can do it. If I can do it, I know everybody says it a million times, but believe me, I didn't think I could ever do it, but it's possible. Change is possible. We love you, Dank. We love you, Dank Demoss, Deja, sweetie, and we want you healthy. We want you living. We want you rapid. Just think of that. If you lost that weight and started getting healthy, who knows who you could be in videos with? I mean, the big ones. Snoop Dogg, Ice Cube. Oh my God, he has a great new song. Yes, come on, let's figure this out, sweetie. You're mad at the world. And that little Uber driver or Lyft driver, I'm sorry. He's kind of paying for everybody, and you know it's not fair. It's not fair to him. But he should get his crap together and get a lot better running vehicle to be doing a job like that. But you can always order an XL, and I think you informed a lot of people now that is available. I didn't know it. Okay, let's